Hey guys, it's Jasmine, and today we're going to make a ginger ale and berry punch. Now since summer has arrived, people are starting to host barbecues and parties, and it's always nice to have a nice and refreshing drink around. Now this recipe is super simple to make. It can be done in less than 5 minutes. It's great for kids and it's also very delicious. This drink looks very appealing since the colors infused into the ginger ale looks very vibrant and colorful for the summertime. So let's get started. To make this punch, the ingredients are very straightforward. All you'll need is some ginger ale, some frozen berries, and you'll also need a pitcher. Today I'm using the cherry berry fusion that I found in a grocery store. It is best if you use unsweetened berries since the ginger ale is already sweet enough. It is also best if you use frozen berries because for one, it acts like an ice to cool down the drink, but it also doesn't water it out. And it also has a really nice color after it melts a little bit and settles into the ginger ale. Today in my mix I have frozen strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, blackcurrants, and cherries. But of course you could add whatever type of frozen fruits you like. There are also other types of berry mixes in the grocery store. I'm just going to open up the bag. I'm going to fill up my pitcher about 1/3 of the way full of my frozen berries, but of course you could add more or less depending on how you like it. Now that I have my berries in the pitcher, I'm going to fill it up pretty much all the way to the top with my ginger ale. Don't pour too quickly because you don't want it to overflow. Alright, I have my ginger ale in the pitcher as well. And now I'm just going to cover this up with some plastic wrap to make sure that the ginger ale doesn't lose its fizziness while it's chilling in the fridge. Make sure it's nice and airtight. And now I'm just going to place this into the fridge from 30 minutes to an hour so that the fruitiness can infuse itself into the ginger ale and also for the colors to come out. The punch has chilled in the fridge for an hour. You can see the color is now really nice and red, and the ginger ale is now really infused with the berry flavor, so we are ready to serve it. And you could choose to keep it in the fridge for as long or as short as you like, depending on how strong you want the berry flavor to be and how strong you want the color to be. You can also choose to add some ice to this drink to make it even colder in the summer days, but keep in mind that it does water out the drink a little bit, so you either want to drink it straight away or you don't want to add too much. That's how you make this ginger ale punch. You can see this looks very impressive. The color is gorgeous, and I also served it with some fresh mint leaves just to make it a little more refreshing and add a nice pop of color. I really like this punch since it has a nice fizziness and it has the ginger ale flavor, but it also tastes fruity and you also get to eat actual fruits in the drink. This is a really simple punch to make. You can make it ahead of time and just keep it in the fridge so it stays nice and cold. I really hope you could try this out this summer. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time. Bye!